Yo, what's up everyone, Mike here today again. In today's video, I will be showing a little bit of how my project that I'm building that is basically an AI using the DeepSeek API that will help beginner programmers or even mid-level programmers to improve their code, to review your code and just basically show you what you need to improve and the reasons why you need to improve it and how you could be improving your code. Well, for example, if you want to start your own startup, you will be able to see what you need to change for security reasons or performance reasons. If you don't know me, my name is Mario Yuri. I am a software developer working remote in Brazil right now, and I'm building this project with a other friend called Pablo, and we are basically junior developers that don't know nothing, but we're trying to be like entrepreneurs building this project. Keep looking at it. Right now, we already developed the landing page. I think that the landing page is one of the most important parts, if not the most important part, because what will make you sell is the landing page. You need to have it really well done with good user interface and user experience. This past week I was working on the authentication logic, and today we'll try to implement all the payment, like the payment logic with Stripe, to then just focus on the DeepSeek API and the chat, how we'll show for you the ways to improve. Like this project I'm building with Next.js, Prisma, TypeScript, and Node basically for the backend. It's a really simple project, and our idea with that is just to have a real project to our portfolio, but it would be really great if we make money with it, so why not have payment on that? Maybe we could be making something. And my idea here on this YouTube channel is just try to grab some advices and tips that my community would be able to do. And I'm really inspired of doing this type of video because of Mark Liu. I want to have a similar, so think that building a SaaS is a better way to be well financed. As I said before, the landing page is already working. We got all this crazy animations that is really important to sell it, and as I said before, I already have done the authentication logic. You will just have to like send your email here and it will give you the code to sign in. You don't need to have a password. Our idea with that will be easier for users to have an account, and we want to have a freemium plan, like a free plan, so people are able to see how our AI works, and after that they will need to pay. Let's say for example, you will be able to have 5 chats for free, and then you have to pay. I'm also thinking about to have more than one AI. Right now our idea is just to have DeepSeek AI because it's cheap, but I have seen that other AIs like I think it's O1 Mini or it's O3 Mini, I do not remember, it's really cheap and have good results. I think it's O1 Mini. Maybe in the future I will be having it. Probably I will not be having Claude because Claude is really like expensive and I do not want to bankrupt. Yeah, keep looking. Right now I will be coding a bit, I'll be showing you here and telling a bit of my experience. Tell me on the comment what do you think about this project, if you're liking it, what do you think I can change on the videos, or what I could improve. Just keep looking. Right now we will be having a time lapse of me coding, or that slash building the project. Yeah, that's it. Keep looking. So I was coding a bit. Right now I'm doing the subscription logic, how I have said before. I'm basically watching a video that it's basically explaining how we built it, the guy built it, and I'm just learning with it, copying and pasting some things. I will be honest with you, I haven't never done it before. I'm reading a bit of the documentation, but I have felt lost. I decided to watch a video and follow the video along. I really recommend you to do that. Some people have different mindsets of if it's the best way or not. I'm not saying the best, but for me it works and I'm able to build the project, and I'm not like being dependent on using AIs to build the code and other things. I'm not saying that is wrong to use AI. I think it's a good way to improve and have more being able to make it fast. But as I'm trying to learn this thing, for me it's been really good to watch videos of guys explaining why they're doing those things on those ways, and I recommend you for doing that. There's no reason for you to like rebuild the road. I think it's the word. You don't need to be reinventing things. If someone already invented, I just need to learn with him how he built this thing and build it by myself. Yeah, if you are a developer watching this, I really recommend for you trying to build a new startup. I have high expectations on this project. I will be learning a bit more of YouTube and try to make better videos and more edited videos, because I really know that this project has a lot of potential, has a huge potential. I'm not saying this word the way I would be liking to, but whatever. And quotation, holy fuck. And I will be learning a bit, watch the Mark Lou videos, try to copy something that he does. Like this on this channel, I try to be honest. I'm learning a lot of things and I need to improve a lot of things. But yeah, like right now it's a Sunday, it's 10 p.m, 10:30. I will probably be coding until like midnight. I still have to edit this video. My idea is to post this day, today, and I'll be doing tomorrow at the morning. I need to work. I will be doing a getaway implementation also at my job. It will be really massive because I'm doing this right now at a side project, and I'll be basically doing the same thing at my job but with other getaway that's actually more simple and have a really well done documentation. But whatever, please, if you like this video, tell me in the comments if you like it. My idea here is to show a bit of my routine, give some advices, and my main goal with this channel is just try to impact someone's life, or impact the most amount of people, because that's my goal in life. And I will be dedicating a lot of time into the channel, and I need to improve a lot of things. Right now the videos are not that great and are probably not that cool to watch, but you can know one thing for sure: I will be improving it, and this year I will be reaching 100k subscribers. Trust me, I will be hitting 100k subs this year, because I'll dedicate a ton of time to this YouTube channel. I'll be posting a ton of videos and I will be improving my videos every time in some way. I already have some things in mind, because right now I'm basically just showing here and talking. I will show a bit more of my routine. My routine is basically just studying, but I will try to show a bit of me going to the gym, doing a lunch, showing some views, because I know that people like it and it's more engaging. That's it. Please hit the like button, subscribe on this channel. It will help me a lot. And comment something down below, and I hope to see you on my next video that will be I will be posting soon. See ya.